Hello everyone. If you want to know how to integrate proxies with Python's request library, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's make sure that you have request library installed on your machine. You can do so by opening your terminal command and typing pip install requests and then hit enter. Once the library is installed, we can go ahead and analyze a Python script to see how the proxies are integrated within the request library. Back to the Python script, we start by importing the request library. Then we have proxies variable, which is a dictionary that holds two elements, HTTP and HTTPS. We are gonna populate this element with a proxy endpoint. Let's go ahead to ProxyScrape dashboard and get these endpoints. From the ProxyScrape residential dashboard, click on Proxy Setup. Here you can configure different types of configuration. For example, you can choose the proxy type between residential, mobile and ISP proxies. Then you can choose the geolocation of your proxy, session duration, quantity, connection type and format. For the format, I'm gonna choose this one that starts with HTTP. Now let's copy an instance from this list and let's go back to the Python script. Here, let's populate these two elements and move on to the next variable, which is a string that leads to the HTTP bin website, especially to the IP endpoint, which outputs the IP that the request was made from. Next, we have the response variable, which is a request.get, meaning that it is a get method, and the URL is the URL that I just mentioned, and the proxy is the proxies that we just pasted. And then simply we are printing the status code and then the response itself. All of this is wrapped in a try and accept block to catch the error that may occur during this request. Now let's see this in action. And as you can see, the endpoint returned to us the IP that the request was made from. Since we choose the rotating proxy, we can go ahead and make another request to see that IP is actually being rotated. And this is how we use the request library to make HTTP requests with proxies in Python. Don't forget to like this video and comment with any question or suggestion on what you would like to see on the next video.